Littelfuse Matamoros is strategically located in northern Mexico, right on the border with Brownsville, Texas. This prime location, combined with a skilled and competitive workforce, makes it an ideal hub for manufacturing. With 4 international bridges and 6 industrial parks, Littelfuse Matamoros operates in the biggest park, bringing over 30 years of manufacturing experience. We invite you to discover our products and processes from Harlan Controls. We are specialists in the design and manufacture of mission-critical electrical contactors, transformers, capacitors, auxiliary switches, and configured assemblies. The cost-effective electrical controls we bring to market are used in HVAC refrigeration, overhead door, irrigation, welding, water heating, pool and spa, vehicle charging, and other aftermarket applications that requires reliable starting and safe stopping. At Littelfuse Matamoros, we are committed to sustainability and quality. We integrate environmentally responsible practices, energy efficiency process, and waste reduction into our operations, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality. Our commitment ensures that we not only meet customer expectations, but also contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future. We have certifications in ISO 9001-2015, ISO 45001, and IATF 16949-2016. Welcome to Littelfuse. Expertise, apply, answers, deliver.